Tappy activated. Hello, my crypto fam. Welcome back to our digital corner. Today, we're diving into the world of cyber attacks, the pesky gremlins of the digital world, and how to prevent them. Grab your virtual shields and let's get started. Move on to the following one. SQL Injection Attacks. SQL injection attacks exploit vulnerabilities in an application's handling of SQL code, allowing attackers to access databases and steal sensitive information. How can this happen? Attackers could steal transaction records, private keys, or user information by exploiting SQL vulnerabilities. They can also alter or remove information from the application's database, which could interfere with its operation or jeopardize the accuracy of related blockchain records. Prevention tips. Choose secure platforms with strong security measures. Use parameterized queries or prepared statements. Report potential vulnerabilities to the platform's security team. Attention! Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay educated and entertained with TapSwap and me, Tappy. See you after reconnecting. Happy tapping. Tappy deactivated.